which is baby turkey wings, and I'm gonna prepare it in this crock pot. They small, just like we're gonna do the baby turkey wings. And what we are going to do is season them first. They're already washed. I'm going to season them with a little bit of sazon. Now the sazon is the one with the vegetables on it. This particular one don't have as much salt in it. So I'm gonna use black pepper. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna prepare it actually, and then after church, I'm gonna turn it on. Maybe before, who knows? Poultry seasoning. I'm gonna use a little bit of soul food seasoning, and I'm gonna use a little bit of cayenne pepper. I know y'all saying she said a little. We are also gonna use, and what I cut these up already. These are green peppers, but green onions, the long ones. Then I have these two guys, one kind of orange and one red pepper. These are those little sweet peppers that come in, the bag with the different colors. I'm gonna do these. I'm gonna cut those up nicely. Hope everyone had a great day today. I did it. I certainly did. You know me, got to keep peace. Life is all about being peaceful and loving on those that love on you. That is the onion pepper. It's a really great recipe. It tastes really good. Some people actually pour cream of mushroom soup, which I don't care for mushrooms, so I would not dare put a mushroom in my turkey. I'm just gonna, let it make its own gravy. So I'm cutting up the other onion, other pepper. This is the orange one. Let me know what some of the recipes that you guys have seen on the channel that you have actually tried yourself. I would love to hear from you. Leave your comments below. I will put the ingredients below the video in the description box once it's finished. That's the red pepper. This is the just they call this the orange pepper. I didn't really have to cut them that small, but for the most part, I like color, but I don't like to taste all the color. So we have that. We also have two fresh garlic cloves. As we get into the winter season, you know, just starting out early cooking and just kind of have it the smell, going through the house and not having to get back up and keep checking and doing and just put it on, a timer and let it do what it do. Just fresh garlic. We are also going to do one small regular onion. And what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to sit it in the refrigerator overnight, and when I get up in the morning or when I get back from church, I will get it started. We're going to do a couple of crock pot meals on the channel. Like I said, a lot of people I know for me, listen, when I'm cooking certain things, I'm all for the steaming and doing, the flipping and doing, but certain dishes, you don't have to do all that. You don't have to have the hot oven going all day. You just simply put it in a crock pot and let it go. These the green peppers. I just cut those like that. I really, didn't go into no special detail with those because those green peppers will cook down themselves for the most part. So that's that. And now I am going to do fresh cilantro. A lot of people don't like cilantro, but I found that if you don't go crazy with it, it's fine. So I use it occasionally. I don't buy it as much because it goes bad because I don't use it on everything. And so I'm learning to catch it on sale and freeze it. And when I'm ready for it, it's available. But I'll be growing my own shortly, so I'm excited about that. That's the cilantro. With this, you really don't have to cut. You can kind of really just pull it and let it do what you want it to do. And once it, go ahead and cook down, and you won't even notice all this stuff is in there. So, depending on your flavor, how much you use. I'm looking for a different taste this go around, and so I did use a little bit more than normal. And that's that. So we have all the vegetables. I'm gonna do a little bit more seasoning on top, only because while it's cooking, you're not gonna be babysitting it, so you're not gonna be flipping and doing and doing and doing. You're just not, and you don't have to. You just don't have to. And so I'm venturing out and discovering new ways to do new meals or different meals, should I say. And I hope you guys are enjoying. I see you guys are definitely checking out the content. And so, yeah. Again, I will be putting my Amazon wish list back up shortly. So yeah, you guys can, help a sister out with getting some new equipment, some new utensils, and when I cook in my crock pot, I use bottled water. You can use a half a bottle to start. I use bottled water. Hello, how are you? Please hit the like button. I use bottled water because I find that if you're not boiling your dish, then listen, use bottled water because it's not really getting as much heat as it would if you was to be boiling your dish. Anyway, I will upload an official thumbnail once it's all said and done tomorrow. You guys be blessed. Thank you. Bye.